Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I hope you guys are excited. It is almost Valentine's Day and I've got a tutorial for you. For this tutorial we're going to be doing this heartbreaker look. I call it the heartbreaker look because it's super intense, it's super glam, it's not soft by any means, it's not cutesy by any means. And so if you're out there to break some hearts on Valentine's Day, I got you. It doesn't matter what you're doing on Valentine's Day. If you're wearing this for a date, if you're wearing it just to hang around the house and eat some chocolate, you're gonna look awesome. You're gonna be glam, you're gonna be ready. But yeah, this look is super fun. It's glittery, it's sparkly, and of course it's got some red lips, and you can't go wrong with a red lip. So let's just get into it, shall we? Okay, so I have already washed and moisturized my face. So let's get into the priming process. I prime with the Benefit Porefessional primer. This is a matte one. So to keep this makeup as long lasting as possible, because I know you got a long night ahead of you, we are going to go ham with the setting spray today. So I'm going to set the primer with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. You guys know I love this stuff. So that's just really gonna start locking stuff in there. So if you have any breakouts or anything that you wanna handle before we get into the foundation process, you can go ahead and spot conceal. For my concealer, I am using the Maybelline Master Conceal in Fair. I'm just gonna lightly buff that into the skin. Is buff the right word for this? I don't know. It's way too much. Way too much. Don't use this much. Okay, so now that we look like a corpse yet again, before we set the face, we are going to do some cream contour. So for my contour today, I'm going to be using the NYX Cream Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm going to take a different damp beauty blender, one of these. I'm just going to swipe it in there. I like a very soft contour, I've noticed. I don't like heavy contour. And to set the face, I will be using the Too Faced Ethereal Born This Way setting powder. It only comes in one color, so it works out well. And I will be using the back of my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender, to set this. I've noticed this is the best way for me to keep my makeup as long lasting as I can get it. Alrighty, let's move on to bronzer. So for bronzer, I will be using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Bronze it up. Okay, and then for blush, I will be taking the MAC Sweets for My Sweet. That is a perfect blush for this. Sweets for My Sweet blush. So I am going to move on to eyebrows now. We're going to save highlighter until the end. For eyebrows, as always, I will be using the JustForRedheads Mascara in red. Please ignore my eyebrows today. I need to get them done. So they're looking a little extra today. Extra eyebrows. So let's move on to that eye makeup. Hope y'all are as psyched as I am. We're gonna start with my Morphe 35F palette. We're just gonna go in with a transition shade for now, and that is going to be a mix of these two colors right here. So this makeup look, as far as like the gray and black goes, is the easiest look on the planet. We're gonna use one gray color. One is the Estee Lauder Color Design All That Sparkles. I've had this for like 8 million years, that's why it looks rough. Okay, and so the brush we're gonna use is just the fluffy brush, your blender brush. Just gonna lightly dip in there, tap off the excess, and we're gonna blend that into the crease. I know we're looking rough right now, it's okay. There's your gray. So then to start darkening up that outer area, as you can see, I have kept that line nice and sharp. To darken it up, we're gonna go in with the same gray and a little more dense brush. We're just gonna focus that into that outer V. Okay, so it's okay if the lid gets messy, we're gonna fix that, so don't worry about it. So if you wanna darken it up even further in that outer V, get real edgy, you can go in with a matte black eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the one from the Morphe 35F. Using that same dense brush. So now we're gonna move on to the lid. For the lid, we're gonna be going in with a white eyeshadow. And for that, I'm gonna be going in with this palette that I got from Hot Topic. I actually really like this palette. And this is the Interstellar eyeshadow collection. For that white, I'm gonna be going in with Sun. Okay, now we're gonna go in into our lower lash line, and so you wanna be careful with this one. You don't wanna go too crazy with the color. You don't wanna look like you've got eyeshadow down here. So we're gonna go in with a narrow fluffy brush. We're gonna go in with the same gray that we used earlier. And we're gonna very gently go on that lower lash line. Very gentle, because we're going to go in and do a really dark waterline, and so that's just going to make everything nice and smoky. Let's get into the fun part. To do a glitter liner, it's time for glitter. I hope y'all are ready. So for the glitter part, I'm using the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner, Crystal Silver, and what we're going to do, it's going to do a normal eyeliner shape with this, and then we will do our normal eyeliner on top of it. Okay, so now that we've got our glitter liner ready to go, we are going to do our normal black liner to define everything. And so you guys I usually use the STILA Stale Day Liquid Eyeliner, but I have noticed for this, it is better to use an eyeliner brush and an eyeshadow, so you don't trash your eyeliner with all of the glitter that we have. So what I'm gonna be doing, be taking this very small angled eyeliner brush and the matte black eyeshadow from the Morphe 35F palette, and I'm just going to spray my brush with the Fix Plus, dip it into the matte black eyeshadow, and we're just gonna do normal eyeliner. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back in with the glitter liner and go on both edges of the wing. So now that we have that done, we are going to move on to doing our waterline. Since I don't have a good pencil to do the waterline, I'm going to be using my eyeliner brush, my Fix Plus, and the MAC Black eyeshadow, and we're just gonna put that in the waterline. Okay, so let's do our mascara real quick, put some eyelashes on, put some lipstick and highlighter on, and then we're done. Using two different mascaras, one for my upper eyelashes, one for my lower eyelashes, just because I've noticed that with fake eyelashes, this combination looks really good. So for my upper eyelashes, I'm going to be using the STILA Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And for my lower eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Loreal Voluminous Butterfly Intenza Mascara. Both of these are in black. Alright, so I got my mascara and my false eyelashes on. For my eyelashes, I used the Ardell 207s. So let's finish up with some highlighter and some lipstick. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Starlit powder. This is the 13. Let's pop that highlighter on. Alright, let's pop on some lipstick real quick and call it good. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in a Bawse. Let's get it on. And there you have it, folks. That is my Valentine's Day heartbreaker look. I hope you have had fun trying to figure out this makeup with me. I had fun creating this look. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's also simple at the same time, so I don't know what to tell you. If you guys liked this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to see more of my shenanigans, make sure you click that subscribe button. You should probably also turn on the post notifications. I'm just saying. All of the products I use will be in the description below, so you can make sure you have all of the same ones I used. And all of my social media will also be in the description below, so you can check that out and just hang out with me for a while on my shenanigans. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.